Close your eyes and imagine this. You walk into a bakery just as a batch of steaming fresh bread is coming out of the oven. Can you smell that fresh, yeasty fragrance and taste the warm bread dipped in olive oil? Okay, open your eyes now. Have you ever wanted to bake your own bread? I know you're probably thinking, I don't have that kind of time to bake my own bread. But actually, you can bake your own bread at home, and all it takes is about 20 minutes of active preparation time and 50 minutes for the bread to bake. Are you ready to learn how? This recipe is so easy, it's called No Knead Bread, and is taken from the book My Bread by Jim Lahey. Although the recipe involves little active preparation time, you will need to plan ahead to allow for rising and baking time. So let's get started. You will need measuring cups and measuring spoons, a large mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, a cotton towel, and a heavy oven-proof pot with a lid. And then there are just a few simple ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon dry yeast. Mix and then add 1 1/3 cups cool water and mix until blended. It will look shaggy and sticky. Cover the bowl with a cotton cloth. Set it aside and let the dough rest between 12 to 18 hours at warm room temperature. Using just enough flour to keep the dough from sticking, turn it out and quickly shape it into a ball. Generously coat a cotton towel with flour, wheat bran, or cornmeal. Then cover the dough again with a cotton towel and let it rise for about 2 hours. An hour and a half later, heat the oven to 500 degrees. Place a 6-quart cast iron covered pot into the oven. When the oven is up to temperature, carefully remove the pot from the oven. Slide your hand under the towel and turn the dough over into the pot, seam side up. Cover the pot and bake for 30 minutes. Then remove the lid and bake for another 15 to 30 minutes until nicely browned. Let the loaf cool on a rack before you slide it out and enjoy your own freshly baked bread. Bon appetit!